is the grounding of a foot uncompromising. It's not forgoing of the light, it's not the opening of eyes, it's not the waking, it's the rising. It's not the shade we should be casting. It's the light and it's the obstacle that casts it. It's the heat that drives the light, it's the fire it ignites. It's not the waking, it's the rising. It's not the sun, it is the sea. It's the heaven of the human spirit ringing. It is the bringing of the light, it is the bearing of the right. It's not the waking, it's the rising. And I could cry.
Straight into the face that tells you to rattle or change if you love being free.
I could cry. 'Cause power is my love and my love is to me. Take cry power, sing out cry power, more than cry cry power.